Welcome back to Sri Lanka Sanchare. Today, we're stepping into classic hill country elegance with sweeping views and cool mountain air. Welcome to the Albatross. From the moment you arrive, the landscape does the talking. A patchwork of greens, a glimmering lake, and the hush of the hills. Rooms at the Albatross are all about comfort and the view. Crisp linens, cozy finishes, and a front row seat to the mountains. Expect a plush bed, spotless bathroom, tea, coffee setup, fast Wi-Fi, and thoughtful storage. Selected suites add a lounge nook or extended terrace for sunrise tea. Warm hoppers, bright sambles, and a strong cup of Ceylon tea. Simple, authentic, and exactly what the hill country calls for. Later, settle in for comforting classics and home-style Sri Lankan curries. With the valley lighting up below, few places frame the hill country quite like this. Greens rolling into blue water, and ridges fading layer by layer into the horizon. Step beyond the veranda for classic hill country days. Tea estate walks, lakeside sunsets, and cool mornings on the trails. Plan a factory tour, chase a waterfall, or ride the rails through misty valleys, then return to your perch above it all. It's the warmth that stays with you. Genuine smiles, small surprises, and help before you even ask. If you're after postcard views, cozy elegance, and that calm only the hills can give, the Albatross is a beautiful place to pause. Thanks for watching Sri Lanka Sanchare. Like, share, and subscribe for more Sri Lankan stays and hidden viewpoints. Where should we film next? Comment below. Ayu Bawan.